Okay guys, we're going to do a cold start of this F150 and I'm going to give you a voltage readout, and I'm going to show you a trick how to lower the RPM when it's starting. It's a little trick. They start really high RPM. You don't really need that kind of RPM for just starting up. So I'm going to put the key in. And put in the on position. We got a reading of 11.7 on the voltage gauge. So we're going to start her up. So as you can see, it's running almost 1500 RPM. So the trick is, I got my parking brake on. Just press the brake a little and put it into neutral. Right away, it's going to drop RPM. And even when you let the truck roll ahead and you move it back to park, it's going to stay at this lower RPM. So it's still about 800 RPM. So it's still perfectly fine for warming up for a couple minutes. So as you can see, the transmission is still cold. Everything is still cold. This thing hasn't been started up for days. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in park just to show you that it's not going to change RPM. Still, it's holding RPM. Put it back in neutral. Right, there you go. Guys, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.